If your vehicle is not equipped with a powered liftgate, see your owner's manual for more information. To operate the powered liftgate, the shift lever must be in park. Use one of the following methods to open the powered liftgate. Press this button on the instrument panel. Press and hold the powered liftgate button on the intelligent key. Or press this button on the liftgate. A chime will sound when the liftgate is opening. The liftgate will open even if the doors are locked when you use the instrument panel button or the power liftgate button on the intelligent key. The liftgate can be set to open to a specific height by performing the following. Open the liftgate using this button or the intelligent key. Pull the liftgate down to the desired position and hold. While holding the liftgate in position, press and hold this button located on the liftgate until 2 beeps are heard. After the beeps are heard, the liftgate will only open to the selected position setting. To reset to a different position, repeat this procedure. To close the liftgate, press this button on the instrument panel. Press and hold the power liftgate button on the intelligent key. Press this button on the liftgate. To close and lock the liftgate and doors, press this button. A chime will sound when the liftgate is closing. If the vehicle battery is discharged and the power liftgate cannot be opened, find this lever at the bottom of the inside of the liftgate. Using a small, suitable tool, move it to the left to open the liftgate. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.